want to thank all my subscribers and everyone out there a Happy New Year from Nana the Saucy Chef.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say it with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be making meatless black-eyed peas in the slow cooker. So we're going to start off with a 1 pound bag of black-eyed peas. Okay guys, you want to go ahead and put your black-eyed peas onto a plate, and we're just going to sift through them, and we're going to discard of any broken black-eyed peas. You want to make sure there's no stones or any small type of gravel also in them. Okay guys, once you're done, we're going to go ahead and put them into a strainer, and we're going to rinse them off. Now you want to get a bowl. Once you've rinsed your black-eyed peas, you just want to pour them in there. Now we're just going to pour enough water in there to cover them up. Now we're going to place our lid over top, and we're going to put them into our refrigerator, and we're going to let them sit for 8 hours. So I'll see you guys back here in 8 hours. Okay guys, the ingredients that we're going to need to make our slow cooker meatless black-eyed peas are 1 pound of black-eyed peas soaked overnight for 8 hours. 4 cups of low sodium chicken broth, 1 onion diced, 1 stick of butter, 2 garlic cloves minced, 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, to our slow cooker, we're going to add in our black-eyed peas. To a heated saucepan, I'm going to add in my 1 stick of butter, and we're going to let it melt. Once melted, you can add in your onion. And we're also going to add in our minced garlic. You want to let that saute for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to turn off your heat. Now we're going to add our butter, onion, and garlic to our black-eyed peas. Okay, you can go ahead and give that a mix. Make sure everything is well combined. Now you can add in your 4 cups of chicken broth. You can go ahead and mix it. Now we're going to add in our garlic powder, our salt, our onion powder, ground black pepper, and our liquid smoke. And you just want to mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to place our lid over top. going to have our slow cooker on for 4 hours on high. Okay guys, so it's been 4 hours and our black eyed peas are done. I'm just going to go ahead and mix them up. They smell amazing. Okay guys, so now to thicken up the broth in here, I'm just going to take about 2 spoonfuls. You want to drain the juice. And I'm just going to go ahead and put it into a measuring cup. Okay guys, so now all we're going to do is just go ahead and mash our black eyed peas. Once they're mashed, we're going to return them back to our slow cooker. Okay guys, now all you want to do is mix them in, and you'll see it starting to thicken up the broth. Okay guys, so here we have it, our meatless black eyed peas cooked in the slow cooker. And I tell you guys, you won't miss the meat, believe me. It tastes amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?